In this video, we will show you how to install crop bars on your polytunnel. Crop bars span across the width of your polytunnel on the intermediate hoops, and they are used so that the structure is more robust. Crop bars are not installed on the two end hoops. Here are the parts you'll need. The crop bar is supplied in one piece. It is 1.17 meters long and flattened on both ends. Fit a Q-clip to one side of the hoop, approximately head height. A Q-clip can be pushed onto the hoop. If the Q-clip is stiff, use a hammer to tap onto the tube. Once the Q-clip is on the hoop, use a pair of pipe grips to close the prongs together. Locate the flat end of the crop bar to the Q-clip. Push a bolt through the hole and loosely secure in place. Position another Q-clip on the opposite side of the hoop. Locate the flat end to the Q-clip and push a bolt through the hole and loosely secure into place. We need to ensure that the crop bar is level. Place a spirit level on the crop bar and adjust accordingly. Once the crop bar is level, firmly tighten the nuts on both Q-clips. Repeat this process on the remaining intermediate hoops. You can find more videos to help you build your polytunnel at construct.firsttunnels.co.uk. We also have a construction helpline if you require any further assistance.